Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Billy Chan. If this is your first time to join me, I will encourage you to subscribe and like to this video as it will help much more people like you. And today I'm going to share with you on this Cornell CBH-G7802CL gas hob, or a stove if you like to say. So I will walk through my personal opinion how this stove behave and how the fire, the performance of this stove will be. And this is really a no filter and a live demonstration on the stove that I already have for nearly 3 years, and I hope that you can find this video valuable and able to help you to make the right decision whether Cornell is the right stove for you. Alright, and let's go into the video. Alright, I'm introducing this gas stove, which is the Cornell CBH-G7802CL. This is an old stove that has been using since 4 years ago. The stove are quite okay. Let me show you that this will be ignited by this, and give a while will come out with a very nice fire itself. This stove is rated 4.5 kilowatt burner, so the output of this stove is actually 7.5 kilowatt. However, 7.5 is the gas input. It doesn't mean that it will burn with 4.5, probably with some efficiency drop after the gas is converted to the flame. Overall, the flame is very strong, and see when there's a pan that I can put on top of it. This is how it will look like. So this is the pan on top of it. So the fire is distributed fairly good as well. So I should not burn the pan while it is low. So overall, it is still good. The flame is still nice, and the measurement for this cutout hole is 650 mm times with 375 mm. So if it is exactly the size, you are able to use this stove itself. When you close up the fire to a low, it will become like that, and when you wanted to cook it a bit, you can actually open up to a big fire and close it a bit small, about this size itself. Okay, I believe the bottom part is like coated steel, and this frame are also coated steel itself. Hope this gives an idea how the Cornell stove CBH-G7802CL works, and give you an idea of the stove. This is the overall outlook of the stove. Thank you. Alright, I hope this is useful for you, and do subscribe and like this video. Bye bye.